People without experience with the criminal justice system often are amazed by the answer to this question, but yes, the police can lie to you during an interrogation. There's limits to it, meaning they can't fabricate evidence to make you think that something else did happen, for example, but they can absolutely tell you, well, your person that was arrested with you, they already confessed and said you did it, so you may as well just come clean and we'll try to help you out later with the prosecutor. They can tell you that, oh, you know, your wife or your mother, I spoke to her and she's just so torn up about this, she's so embarrassed and ashamed, she just wants you to resolve this as quickly as possible, just come clean. Yes, the police are allowed to lie to you, and that is something to keep in mind if you should ever happen to be in an interrogation room or being interrogated by the police, is that what they're telling you, for better or for worse, it may be a lie. Knowing that the police can lie to you is why, first of all, even without a lawyer, you probably shouldn't talk to them. But two, if you do decide to speak with them, you absolutely want to invoke that other part of your Miranda rights, which is if you want an attorney, you have the right to have an attorney present. Call your attorney and get them in there, because police act very differently when they know that there's someone who knows the limits of what they can do. If the police overstep their bounds on what they can tell you, meaning they're allowed to tell you that your co-defendant confessed, for example, or that they're allowed to tell you, you know, hey, we found the gun and we got fingerprints off of it, all right? And they match your fingerprints. They're allowed to say that to you. Now, if they then come into the room with a fingerprint card and say, here it is, here's the proof, here's a fingerprint we took off of the gun, that is when they cross the line. That's what, you know, they're not allowed to do that. If they do something like that, we can absolutely file a motion. And in that example, obviously it's a very simple example, but yes, I mean, it's a situation where the case might not necessarily be dismissed, but we should be able to file the appropriate motion to suppress whatever statement you may have made and keep them from using that against you, which in a lot of cases will result in a dismissal.